So hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Shopify migration. So guys, if you have a website that is not built on Shopify and you want to migrate it to Shopify, what kind of issues and difficulties you might face during that process, we are going to discuss all of that in this video. Suppose here we have one site built properly on Shopify CMS and there's another site which is not built on Shopify but instead on Magento or some code language. So guys, if you are migrating a site like that to Shopify, what issues can arise and what difficulties you'll face, we are going to cover everything in this video. There are many such issues you should be aware of, which Shopify agencies or even professionals usually don't tell you. But when you start the migration process, you'll face all these things. So we'll cover all those points in this video. I'll explain all the difficulties and issues in detail. First issue is data migration issues. The very first issue you will face is related to data migration. This data migration is never 100% perfect. You might want to push all your product data directly to Shopify, but that's not fully possible. Similarly, if you want to import all your customer credentials and customer data directly into Shopify again, that's not fully possible. Same goes for your order history, fulfilled orders, and fulfillment statuses. You can't just plug them all directly into Shopify. Also, product meta fields, variants, and a lot of other data from your existing site cannot be pushed directly into Shopify. These are major limitations during migration. Second issue is SEO issues. The second challenge is related to your SEO. Shopify themes are fixed in structure, and even the URLs are fixed. If you open any collection on a Shopify store, you'll notice the structure like site name, collections, collection name. Similarly, for products, it'll be site name, products, product name. But when you build your site in a code language like Magento, the URLs are not fixed. You might have custom or flat URLs like site name, product name. When you migrate your site to Shopify, your URL structure will change drastically, which can heavily impact your SEO. Due to this change, you can lose organic traffic, and your existing SEO ranking may drop. Now, this doesn't mean you can't recover from it. You can. But it's not possible to migrate without any SEO impact at all. The effect will definitely be there. Third issue is cost-related issues. When you migrate to Shopify, you'll first need to buy a Shopify plan. That means selecting a monthly or yearly plan depending on how you want to run your website. But buying a plan isn't enough. After that, you need to move your entire site and choose a theme. Shopify offers both free and paid themes. Free themes have fixed structures like banner sections, collection sections, featured product sections. If you go for a paid theme, they often come with more advanced features, but they also require extra cost. Some themes need monthly subscription payments, while others require a one-time purchase. Even if you choose a free theme, you might need to customize it to better suit your needs. For that, you may need help from a developer or agency, which again increases your overall cost by 20–30%. And let's say you want to show product reviews on your store, you'll need to install apps like Loox or Judge.me, which are not free. These apps also add to your cost. So overall, your total cost increases by 20-30% more than what you initially expected. So guys, these were some of the major issues you must be aware of before migrating any site to Shopify. And not just Shopify, you may face these issues with migrations to any other CMS or platform like WooCommerce or WordPress. However, Shopify has many benefits to clean product data, well-organized customer data and order data, proper tracking of fulfillment statuses. So yes, Shopify has its advantages. If you are thinking of migrating your site to Shopify and are facing these problems, feel free to connect with us. Our contact information is available in the description link below the video. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.